Folks, today I'm going to talk about stocks that have lower valuations but that could potentially give us higher than average returns in 2021. So 2020 is almost behind us. And I'm sure a lot of you are saying, thank God for that. And stock indexes continue to trade near all-time highs. Talk about resilience, right? While no one is agreeing on politics or when COVID vaccine will be available to the general public, one thing everyone will agree on is the fact that value stocks have not been big winners over the past 12 months. The market has been driven largely by momentum stocks, as witnessed by the NASDAQ 100 giving investors over 40% in the past 12 months. Can you imagine that? That's crazy. Matter of fact, value stocks have been out of the spotlight for some time, and that means opportunity. You've got to understand, the current momentum-driven markets may not repeat itself next year. Numerous factors are pointing to a mild sell-off before the market heats up again, and that may be the best time to start looking at value plays. Moreover, it's going to take some time for the economy to get back to its old pre-COVID efficiency, and death rates continue to spike. Unemployment is rising, and that's not a bullish sign for consumer discretionary sector, which is the biggest driver of momentum stocks. And that's why today, I want to take a look at a few stocks that are still considered value by today's standards. Stocks you need to pay attention to over the next few months for potential upside. First stock, Snap-on. I'm sure you've heard of Snap-on Tools, ticker symbol SNA. It's the first stock on my list. Manufacturer, marketer of tools, equipment, diagnostics, repair information, and system solutions for professional users performing critical tasks. I just said a mouthful. Products and services include hand and power tools, tool storage, diagnostics, software, information management systems, shop equipment, and other solutions for vehicle dealerships and repair centers. Latest earnings report is strong with 50% upside surprise. Earnings per share growth versus previous quarter, 71% upside. Annual dividend yield, almost 5%, 4.92%, and rising. Stock is trading above pandemic levels, which is a big one for me, and happens to be in the industrial sector, which is currently the strongest sector in the S&P 500. Expect resilience if the market sells off since P/E ratio is only 16 and very reasonable for the industry as a whole. My next stock, DaVita Healthcare Partners, ticker symbol DVA. The company provides some serious stuff, kidney care, delivering dialysis services for chronic kidney failure and end-stage renal disease, primarily in the United States. The company has high profit margins, which is big, and remains one of the major positions in Warren Buffett's portfolio, trading at only about 13.40 times forward earnings per share. Shares look strong to the company's projected earnings with the demographic trend and an aging population on its side. Plus, its aggressive use of stock buybacks expect DaVita to show solid earnings growth numbers for quite some time. The stock returned almost 50% over the past 12 months, and I believe we will see more upside in 2021, especially funds begin targeting value once again, which is not a distinct possibility. Relative strength is solid, and I'm expecting more upside, especially with Fed and central banks allocating more capital to healthcare with Biden taking office next month. I think this stock is in the right place at the right time, and I hope that helps. Most folks don't know this, but traditional investing research is becoming obsolete. And that means hours and hours you've spent studying stock charts and squinting like that at spreadsheets is a massive waste of your time. You need a new way to level the playing field against Wall Street and its lightning fast trading activity without putting your entire portfolio at risk. And that's why Future of Wealth head trader Lance Ippolito's weekly Blitz Alert can help you do just that. In it, Lance shows everyday investors just like you how to capture predictable profits with trades that could pay out overnight. Don't miss a chance to collect these 24-hour windfalls. Click on the link below to see how Lance reveals his top trading secrets. Do it now.